Hello and welcome to the next instalment in my series on the Prop Options Sidebar Cake Separator. I'm Jen from Cakey Lulu's and I'm really excited to share with you the addition of some new products to the Sidebar family. If you haven't seen the series so far, head on over to the Prop Options YouTube channel where you can watch the whole Sidebar series on there. In those videos, I showed you the original round separator range and I explain how to attach the separator to your cake, hide the top and bottom plates and disguise the sidebar. And these principles apply to the whole range of sidebar separators, including these new additions. First of all, with square cakes becoming more and more popular again, Prop Options have created a square range of sidebar separators to be used in the exact same way as their original round sidebar. So the square sidebar comes in the same three sizes, a 6-inch base with 4-inch top plate, with the option for them to be either 4 or 6 inches tall, and an 8-inch base with 6-inch top plate in 6 inches tall. They come in the same powder-coated white finish, which is 100% food safe, and just like the round version, they can hold up to 3.5 kilograms of weight. The other new addition that I'm going to share with you is the new enhanced range. So there are 3 new enhanced sizes of round sidebar available in this range, which is fab for using them with bigger cakes. Again, they come in the same 100% food safe powder coated white finish, and they're available in an 8-inch base and 6-inch top plate, with the option for them to be either 6 or 8 inches tall, and a 10-inch base with an 8-inch top plate in 6 inches tall. You'll notice that one difference on the enhanced range is that the sidebar is slightly thicker, so you'll just need to bear that in mind when you're thinking about your cake design. Now, as I mentioned before, the standard round and square sidebars have a weight limit of 3.5 kilograms. Well, for these larger enhanced sizes, they are stronger than ever and have been tested to hold up to 6 kilograms of weight. To demonstrate the weight limits, I have 2 separators here. I have a square standard sidebar and a round enhanced sidebar. So as I've mentioned, the standard square and round sidebars can hold up to 3.5 kilograms of weight, whereas the enhanced range can hold up to 6 kilograms of weight. As I've mentioned before, they both come completely level, which is perfect for a dummy cake, but if you're using a real cake, you'll need to adjust the top plate to make sure that it's level once the weight of your cake is on there. So I have adjusted both these separators just by pulling the sidebar back. And let's give it a go. So that's 3 kilograms of sugar, 1/2 kilogram of icing sugar, 3.5 kilograms. And yeah, the separator's completely level. So let's try the enhanced range. So I've got 6 kilograms of sugar on there. And yep, it's completely level. We really look forward to seeing what you create with these new separators. Don't forget to check out the entire video series on the Prop Options YouTube channel. Make sure to hit like and subscribe and to hit the bell for notifications. And remember to tag Cakey Lulu's and Prop Options in your posts, as we would love to see your creations. I'll see you next time. Bye.